budget friends, welcome back to another Sister Sister edition for paycheck number 3. So this is $1,000, and if you don't know, I am helping my sister stuff for her Tomorrowland music festival and Europe trip that she will be taking next year. So that is what I will be doing until she goes. I'll be helping her cash stuff her binder. So ticket I've added because there were so many of you guys who've literally helped a sister out, and me and my sisters spoke about it, and we were like, oh my goodness, we didn't even know about these particular things that we just didn't think of, which were insurance, so travel insurance and medical. So thank you to those who have suggested that, and you know who you are, I know who you are, so thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And this is just temporary right now, so temporary envelopes. So anyway, so that's what I've done, is added those 2 envelopes, which actually is needed, and I will start off with them too because we haven't stuffed it yet. So medical will be getting $150, and I just need to also make a tracker for them as well. So $150 for medical. Insurance will be getting $100. Spending will be getting, let me see how much spending has, $250. So I'll add maybe $150, so $51.50, so $150 to make it $400. So it's $51, $52, $53, $54. So $400 to spending. And if you are interested in the trackers, there are 2 options on this for this tracker, and I'll leave a link down below, so yeah, check it out. So $400 into spending. Accommodation, we have $250. I'll just add a $50. So now we have $51, $52, $53, so $300. And this is definitely just accommodation around Europe, really. So I'm not too sure how much I'm going to save up for that, but we'll see. And transportation, how much do we have here? $300. Let's add $100. So now we have 51, 52, 53, 54. So $400 into transportation. Flights is $300. I want to add $200 in here. So 51, 52, so $200. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So $500 now into flights, which is definitely such a good amount. And Tomorrowland and food merch has 150, so I'll put a 50, so 200, 51, 52, so $200 now into Tomorrowland food and merch. I'm not too sure how much I'll save for this one. Maybe I'll cap it off at 500. And even this one as well, which is her Tomorrowland clothes, has 250. I'll put a 50 here. So now it has 51, 52, 53, so 300. I think I'm going to cut this one off at 600 because it's 2 days. So I'm thinking 300 for day 1, 300 for day 2, which is, you know, your pants, your shirt, your clothes, your makeup, your hairspray, I don't know. So $600, I think I'm going to cap that one off. And then the rest will go into Tomorrowland ticket. It has 500. So let's see what it has now. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 50. So 650 for Tomorrowland ticket. So yeah, it is definitely building up. She has been on a roll with making sure she gives me the amount of money to stuff into her binder. So yeah, I'm super proud of her for sticking onto it. It is early days, but we'll see. So thank you so much for joining me in another Sister Sister edition. I hope you guys enjoy it, because I really enjoy helping my sister out and watching her binder grow, and I just cannot wait until we see the results of it. So I'll let you guys go and have a lovely day. Bye!